Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make the famous recipe of Jamie Oliver, chicken in a milk. So guys, let's get cooking. So guys, before anything else and before we start cooking, let me run you down to my ingredients. So I have cinnamon here, I have butter, I have lemon, I have garlic, I have sage, and a whole chicken. And today we're also going to be using a Salt Odyssey sea salt smoked in beechwood and olive oil from Ladi Bayosas. When I first heard about this recipe from his old cookbook, The Naked Chef, I was skeptical about it, and last week, Jamie Oliver did the recipe video and I was like, why not give it a go? Besides, I have a new Belgian cast iron pan from Ferleon Delicious Design. If you want to know more about this cast iron pan, please head to my unboxing video down below or here. So now we're preheating our cast iron pan. So we're gonna prepare the chicken. So we're gonna season them with salt and pepper. We need to season it very well. And we're gonna take this one. So this is smoked for 140 or 120 hours. I'll put the link down below. And of course I think the smokiness of the sea salt we're gonna like season the whole bird. We're going to pan fry this chicken. So today I am using a high premium extra virgin olive oil from Ladi Bayosas. And a knob of butter. Gonna get our tongue. So we're gonna make sure that we're gonna fry all the sides of the chicken so that you can get a good caramelization from the chicken. Chicken first here. And we're gonna turn it around. We make sure we're able to fry all the sides for color. So we've been frying the chicken from side to side. So guys, the chicken should actually look like this, and this is the color what we're aiming for. I'm gonna turn the heat on low. And it's time for the chicken on the plate, so we can move on the rest of. Careful. Yes. That's it. So now what we're going to do next is we have a 10 cloves of garlic. So we don't remove the skin. Just gonna smash it and add it one by one in the pan. And we finished preparing our garlic, so we're gonna take some sage, a couple of handful. Sage is always good with pork, with chicken, anything roast. And lemon zest, we're just gonna cut it like that. So we prepared our garlic, our sage, and lemon zest. So we're gonna put them back in a pan with the olive oil, same as where we cooked the chicken. Please don't throw those olive oil and butter together because that makes it more delicious. So put it in, just like that. And the sage. See, it's sizzling. And almost forgot the cinnamon sticks, couple. I want a lot of cinnamon. And after that, 500 milliliter of chicken. Don't be afraid, it's gonna quite curdle. The sauce is gonna curdle a bit because of the lemon, the butter, and the olive oil. And now, here's where the magic happens. We're gonna put back our chicken. Maybe like this. And we're gonna put it in the oven, preheated in 180 degrees for 1.5 hours while slowly basting it. So guys, it's been 1.5 hours and I'm excited for my chicken. Ta-da! So guys, the smell of this chicken is absolutely delicious. The garlic, the sage, the hint of cinnamon, and then the lemon all combined together. I feel this is gonna be very, very delicious. So, wait, sliding. As you can see guys from the sauce, it curdles a little bit like as Jamie Oliver said, it's like a ricotta cheese. We set this aside and it done his job for the day. And we're gonna go taste this chicken. I think I'm gonna go for the legs. You can see, so tender and juicy. If you guys can smell it, it's really, really good. Time for some tasting action. Guys, you should try this. It's so easy to make, it's not complicated, and it's absolutely delicious, and it's packed full of flavors. Oh god, it's so good. The hint of cinnamon is just so subtle. The garlic, the lemon, the sage, it's just perfect for an afternoon time. So guys, if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe and check out all my recipes at www.ceskitchen.com. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe video, because I will make food that will always make you feel good. Bye! Lemon, garlic, butter, and sage, and milk. Oh, this is sage. This is cinnamon. You want me to repeat that?